if y'all want to watch how much I struggled building this raised garden bed, just keep watching. Quick disclaimer, this is by no means a tutorial. This is just letting you guys watch me struggle at building my first thing that has no blueprints or instructions. Ooh, they're watching me fail. So I realized this hole is gonna be way too close to that edge. So, just gonna wing it. Did it. So as you guys can see, we have completely lost our sunshine. I needed to make a Walmart run to get some staples for my staple gun, and then when I went to load my staple gun, it decided that it no longer wants to be a staple gun, and now we're out of a staple gun. So what I'm gonna do instead is go ahead and mark up the measurement on my wood so that I can get ready to cut it tomorrow. What I did to measure my bottom board, which is a pretty thin piece of wood, but I'm just using it to help secure my chicken wire, I just laid it over, and instead of doing any type of measurements with a tape measure, I literally just marked where it was coming up on the garden bed. How I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my legs is I'm planning to do, with my 2x4x8, I'm going to do a 24-inch and then a 12-inch. And that's gonna compensate for it to come up on the side of my bed, and then it's also going to compensate for the support that's going to be on my bed. To secure my chicken wire, I just did some staples in the corner to make sure that it was where I wanted it to be at, and then I went ahead and just filled in all the other areas just to really secure it.
We put soap on the screw because it helps it go in faster.
Beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy the finished product of my garden and enjoyed the process of building it. If you would like more videos on my garden, please let me know in the comments, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week.